let's talk a little bit about what a legacy burden is.
Sure. Yes. Great. So legacy burden. So parts can carry, and this, is completely from Dick Schwartz, right? So this is parts can carry personal burdens more from this lifetime experience. And then they can carry legacy burdens. And legacy burdens can encompass a lot of things. They can encompass burdens handed down intergenerationally from our ancestors, from our family systems, from the dominant collective culture that we live in. What in response to dominant culture, legacy burdens, cultural burdens as well, depending on, based on our social location, our own identities, in response to current day collective dominant culture as well as systemic repression, and also this historical person as well, right? And historical trauma. So legacy burdens can encompass all of that.